Welcome home to Penthouse 410 at 20 East Royal Avenue at the Lookout in Victoria Hill. This spectacular unit is just shy of 1,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a flex room. The expansive living room and dining room showcases 9-foot ceilings, stylish wide plank flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a glass sliding door that leads out to a 215 square foot balcony with views of the Northshore Mountains. You can create beautiful meals in your stylish kitchen with a stainless steel Kitchenaide appliance package while you entertain guests at your large stone countertop island. All 3 bedrooms are a generous size, with the master bedroom including a huge walk-in closet, and one of the bedrooms features soaring 14-foot ceilings. Both bathrooms share the same high-quality finishings with contemporary cabinetry, stone countertops, a deep soaker tub, and a master ensuite bathroom with 2 vanities and a spacious walk-in shower. There is an incredible 900 square foot private rooftop deck with enough room to host summer barbecues, lounge around and relax, and even start a garden. The Lookout offers its residents great amenities with a clubhouse, a first-class gym, and a communal greenway that overlooks the Fraser River. The suite is complete with 2 large side-by-side parking spots, in-suite storage, and a storage locker.